This introduction is from an English 50 assignment that was simple. It was to write about the challenges college students face, and there's no source. So the yellow is her hook. She started with a famous quotation, a good one, a relevant one. The green is the background information. She's talking about how college is not what Hollywood makes it seem to be. It's difficult. And then she ends with her thesis statement, which tells me what she's going to write about in her body paragraphs. There's a second introduction for that same assignment, but I'm going to take you down to this one from an English 45 essay later in the semester. This was a single source essay. It might have been a two-source essay, actually. This writer began by making a strong opinion. In America, the legacy of racial segregation and discrimination persists. That's a very strong opinion. She goes on to explain, to kind of justify it, and then she summarizes the main source. There was a main source for this essay, sort of like your essay has a main source and a second source that you have to bring in somehow. So she summarizes the main source, but she cut her summary down from the original summary she wrote for her annotated bibliography, and you might consider doing the same. And then she ends with a really clear thesis statement.